Hello and welcome to my channel. Today's topic is how modules are downloaded by Golang. So let's look at it. Let's go to the other slide. Here on your screen, you can see the process of downloading the module. Basically, Go uses behind the scenes, it uses Git to download your module. So make sure Git is configured correctly. If you want to look at a video, you can watch my video called Git configs, and that will show you how to configure Git. And also you can watch my videos on authentication to GitHub using Git. Having said that, this is a process, this is a two-step process. First, it tries to download the module. Once it is successful in downloading a module, it will verify the hash of that module with a database. If the hash doesn't matches, it will not uh, accept the download. If the hash matches, it will accept the download. That is to make sure that the version of module that you have asked for has not been tampered with. So let's look at the first step, which is downloading a module. When you do go get module name, first it downloads the module. If you see on the screen, when you do a go get, it looks at the go proxy environment variable. By default, it's set to the value shown on your screen. So first it will try the proxy that is maintained by Google, and all it basically caches all the public repos in this proxy. So if your repo is public, it will go to the proxy. If your go proxy is set to this value, it will go to the proxy. If it's able to download the module, it will. If it is not, it will go to direct. The fallback mechanism goes directly to the repo URL and tries to download from there. If it can, it will download the module. If it cannot, then it gives up and it cannot download the module. So let's say that it was able to successfully download your module. So the step number 2 is verifying the hash. It looks at the environment variable go sumdb, and by default it's set to sumdb.golang.org, and it will verify the hash. Now what are the issues with this? The issues with this process are, it's fine for the public repos, but if your repo is private, you're working on a team in your organization, then obviously you can't make the repos public. So what are the issues? One is that the verification will fail. Irrespective where it downloads the module from, whether it downloads from a proxy or goes directly to your repo URL, it will always verify the hash. With public repo, it doesn't have access to that sumdb.golang.org does not have access to your repo, and hence, even though it's able to download, it will fail on the verification step. The second issue is security issue. When you do a go get a module, your private URL goes to the proxy. It is okay with trusted proxy maintained by Google, but it can become a security issue if the proxy somehow caches the URL or uses it um, for its own gain. So what can we do to access a private repo? For public repo, I showed you the process. For private repo, there is a variable called go private. And when this variable is set, it basically asks Google not to look at go proxy and go sumdb environment variable for these repos. So what I do is I set my go private to this value. You can set it to github.com/your organization name and asterisk, or your username and asterisk, and it go private follows a glob pattern. Basically, it accepts a wildcard character, so I just give this as my wildcard character, my organization name, and all the repos under this organization are private, so don't look at the go proxy and go sum. And the way you write an environment variable in Go is shown in bold, which is Go environment hyphen W Go private equal to this. It's a comma separate value. You can give any number of values to Go private. So that way you can download the private repos in addition to the public repo, which I showed the process here. Basically, it's a two-step process, so it's able to download and verify the hash. So thank you very much for watching the video. If you have any questions regarding the downloading a module, feel free to ask in the comment. Thank you for watching. And if you are interested in other videos of mine, you can check out these videos. Thank you.